We're in Chepstow today. We're staying over for a few nights because it's our wedding anniversary, first wedding anniversary, which is cool. So we've got a couple of nights in Monmouthshire. Have a look around and see what we're getting up to. Alright, let's do a quick wander around of the Airbnb. In Chepstow, had a wander around the bungalow type, well it's not bungalow, it's one up one down, that we're staying in. It's really pretty, really nice little cottage. Now we're having a wander around Chepstow town. It's trying to rain, but it's not too bad. We'll see how we get along. It's a pretty town though. Morning. It's mine and Anna's anniversary today, so happy anniversary day. Yay! We're going to go out to see some of the sights around here, see some of the old historic castles and that sort of thing, perhaps have a bite to lunch, maybe afternoon tea. I'll get the drone up, have a look at some of the stuff around, so it should be a good day. Come with us. Right, we're at Zante Abbey. I just put the drone up. Technically I don't think you're meant to put the drones up, although, sod it, don't really care. It wasn't a no-fly zone in the DJI app, so I'm not really that bothered. No camping, no parking overnight as well. So we're going to go for a wander around, see what we can see. Oh yeah, that looks better. I've not brought the drone into the Abbey itself because National Trust have a thing about drones. I'm not really sure what. Pretty much all the National Trust buildings are drone-free zones, but I've got my footage, so I don't really mind. It's really pretty. It's nicely laid out and looked after. So we'll have a wander around, see what we can see.
room.
Oh yeah. Watch this fridge. Not quite sure where Anna's gone, so I have to try find her. We had an Apache fly over a minute ago, Apache helicopter, military one. I didn't even know there was military bases around here.
Nobody to blame. Do not bother. I know that it is hard to understand. I know I was born to do this. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. I said I'm getting through this. Wait for me, please. Wait for me, please. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. All we've been dreaming of.
No idea. Hey up, we're at Caldecott Castle. It's lovely. It's like a park. There's like a castle, obviously, and it's all free for entry and stuff, so it's well worth a visit. It's quite nice. It's very relaxing. So hello, dear.
Hi.
Don't you worry. I know it is too little, too late. But everything is upside down and strange. But you are my ground tonight. If we stay together, we will be alright. You need to move closer, dear. Destiny is all that we need to feel. Oh good. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have